Ready to alleviate your video editing game? Unlock the power of motion graphics templates and take your projects to the next level. In this video, I'll show you how to seamlessly export a MOGRT file from After Effects to Premiere Pro. So hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. So first of all, create new composition. Let's go to composition, new composition, and I will call it slide and pop in animation, and you can call it whatever you want, slide and pop in animation. And here is the preset. Select this preset, social media landscape HD, and it will automatically set these default settings. Then you have to select manual duration 3 seconds. Hit OK. Let's select this text tool and click over here and type slide and pop in. Okay, select all of these text. You can change its color from here, and you can select the color whatever you want, whatever you like. But at this time I will select this orange type color. And if you are not looking this tab, character tab over here, let's go to window, and here is the character tab. Please check this from here, and here is the size of our text. You can scale it up and you can increase or decrease its scale, capital or small. Okay, you can click over here. After that, here you can see this is our anchor point. We need to set it in the center. By holding control, you can click over here. Here is the pen behind our anchored point. Double click over here and it will automatically centered. You can also press Ctrl Alt Home to make it center. Okay, then press Ctrl Home to set this text in the middle of our comp. So at this time I will apply some glow. Select this text and press Ctrl spacebar and search for deep glow. And let's make some settings. Here is the radius. Set the radius around 100 and then set the exposure value 0.15. So how to change our colors in Premiere Pro? Select this text layer again, press Ctrl spacebar and search for fill and apply this fill color. And you can also select the color from here, different kinds. Which do you like? At this time I will select the yellow. It's my favorite color. Okay, let's create a MOGRT file and export it into Premiere Pro. And how to use it? Let's go to window, and here you can see essential graphics. Open it up and it will show you this kind of interface. Okay, don't worry. So now it's time to create animation. Place your playhead at the beginning around over here, and let's come over here, effects and presets, and search for slide and pop in. And here it is, slide and pop in. Simply select and drag and drop our text and it will create this kind of animation. Okay, and now we have this kind of animation. It's looking very beautiful. So now it's time to export our MOGRT file. So how to export? After opening our essential graphics tab, let's go to inside our text. Here is the text. Select this source text and drag and drop over here, and don't forget to click on this edit properties and check all of these to customize our fonts and adjustment our size and styles. Hit OK, and here you can see you can increase or decrease its size from here. You can make it capital or small from here, italic, and make it italic, and you can make it fox. Okay, after that make it capital. Then let's go to its transform, and here you can see position. Select position and drag and drop over here, and here you can see it's not showing its picture. Don't worry, set the poster time and it will show you this current time picture inside over here. If you will click solo properties, and it will open all the properties for you over here. But we don't need all the properties, we need only some properties. And we need scale, drag and drop over scale, and then we need go to effects, and here you can see deep glow, and we need radius and drag and drop over here radius. Then select the exposure, deep glow exposure, drag and drop over here. You can increase its radius from here like this, and you can also change its exposure value from here. Okay, it's looking great. After that we need this color option. Select this parameter, color parameter, and drag and drop over here. And now we have everything to customize our text inside Premiere Pro. Okay, after that then press Ctrl S and save, and you can also call it, you have to type the name of our text. So double click over here and press Ctrl C, copy this text and paste it over here. After that that, click on export motion graphics template and let's save. And here is the main thing, where do you want to save your MOGRT files template? I want to save it on local drive. Go to browse and slide and pop in, then hit save. And here are some more options, you can read it. If you have already this template, it will show you warning. If you want search your template inside Premiere Pro, keywords over here, you need to type some keywords over here. So I will type slide and pop in, hit OK and hit again OK. Let's watch this animation inside Premiere Pro. Okay, let's open Premiere Pro. After opening your Premiere Pro, let's go to window and make sure you have selected this essential graphics. After that, this tab and it will show up here, and select this browse option, and here you will see a lot of templates. So how to import? Click on this icon and select your desired MOGRT file, and at this time slide and pop in, select this one, and it will automatically import your desired template inside Premiere Pro. And here it is, simply drag and drop over here. And first of all, I will create some mark-in and mark-out point. Click over here and again click over here. Let's press enter to render it. First of all, render it this. Let's play our animated. Now wow, interesting, and it's looking very beautiful. Now we have successfully exported the MOGRT file from After Effects into Premiere Pro. So now how to customize this? Select this text from here, and here you can see our slide and pop in, and here you can add or erase and retype your text over here. I will type here Adnan, it's my name, very nice. And here you can see its font, you can change its fonts. I will type it Montserrat, and here you can see a lot of fonts. You can choose your desired which do you like, and let's change its size. And now you can customize its size, you can make it decrease or larger. And here is its position, you can move it left like so, and you can move it right like so. And here is the deep glow. If you want to increase its deep glow, you can also increase or decrease its deep glow settings from here. And here is the deep glow radius. Simply increase this slider, and here is the deep glow exposure. You can also increase its exposure from here, and then you will see what's going on. And here is the color, you can change its color, and you can change it into different kinds, whatever you like. I'm going to change it into green, and let's see what happening. It is not selecting the right color. Why? So it's getting some difficulties why it is not changing the colors. And here you can see if I am going to selecting different kinds of color, but it is not changing because we have selected the wrong color. Select this color, delete this one. And here is the fill option. This is the effects we have just applied, and we need this colors. Okay, select this one and drag and drop over here, and let's change its color. Maybe it is working or not. Yes, it's working. Okay, and this is the right color, and you make sure you have selected this color inside from the fill options. So let's export this MOGRT file and click export. Okay, let's come back our Premiere Pro and delete this one from here, and also delete it from the browse option. Right click and delete this one from here. Let's re-import our MOGRT file, and here is our MOGRT file, and put it over here. Let's simply drag and drop over here and give distinct settings. Let's go to edit and select this one from here. At this time, first of all, I will change its color into yellow type like so. Maybe it is working or not. Yes, it's working. So it's looking very nice. By following these steps, you can successfully export MOGRT files from After Effects into Premiere Pro, and you can customize it and you can use it in Premiere Pro at any time, anywhere. I hope you like this video, and I hope you also like this one. If you have learned something new, please like, share and subscribe my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.